थैंक यू भैया। कितना हुआ इसका?
पापा cheers.
पापा।
Oh my god. Wapa cheers.
जापा।
Cheers. Costa chop.
Ramro. We've just boarded our cab from home to Howrah station. What time is our train? 3:30. And what express is it?
Mithila.
It is Mithila Express. And अभी बज रहे हैं 2:24. Hello guys, we have finally boarded the train. It is 3:28 right now and our train is supposed to leave at 3:50. So अभी हम लोगों ने बस थोड़ा बहुत ट्रेन has started. और एक जन ऑलरेडी सेटल हो चुका है. गुड नाइट बेबी. Just ordered our dinner.
Crossing Bali. Why can't we have these stadiums and all of this shit come off to these areas so that in turn, because these stadiums are continuously in use, everything in between gets developed.
But then people would have to travel this far.
Yes, that's what make them. People are earning that much so that they can come to these areas and develop them. Achha, and what is happening? Road tax is getting paid. Roads are getting rebuilt again and again. Cars are coming over here. People are getting work at stadiums. You are getting around the stadiums. You open up a canteen for it. So many things. 2 hours to reach a stadium for a match so that they plan the entire day. हम लोग कहीं जा रहे हैं.
And so that normal city life and operations are not disrupted.
वो भी disrupt
also.
ना हो ना.
Exactly.
वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक पूरा टाइम शाम का 5 बजा नहीं तो ईडन गार्डन का ट्रैफिक.
There's some crazy level of thundering that's going on outside.
Madness.
Matlab, if I could show you guys just for scale, it is like this kind of a brightness and ऐसा कुछ अभी हमने मतलब 2 मिनट पहले देखा है. Quite literally. से कहते हैं वक्त का सबसे पूर्ण उपयोग जो अभी मैं कर रही हूँ. Even though this is something I was supposed to be done with yesterday, but I was packing yesterday and then after that I was dead tired. By the time we finished packing it was almost 3 and उसके बाद I was very exhausted. So I'm finishing the edit now. Even though I'm not very sure when I will be able to upload today's video, क्योंकि आज तो मुझे ट्रेन में वाईफाई नहीं मिलने वाला है. I'll probably कल भी by the time we reach.
कल बस में ट्राई करना होगा.
बस में वाईफाई कहाँ से होगा?
वाईफाई नहीं, मोबाइल नेटवर्क्स.
Mobile network is not sufficient to upload a YouTube video. I will need like a good strong Wi-Fi only to upload.
Then we'll have to look for a good restaurant on the highway.
Yeah.
Where we can stop for a lunch and do it.
Yeah. थोड़ा सा बने रहना और बंधे रहना guys. Just reached Asansol guys.
Asansol? We reached Asansol guys.
Just reached Asansol guys and हमारा खाना यहाँ से आने वाला है. Hopefully हमारा खाना आने वाला है.
Asansol. See,
एक बार देख.
Train shenanigans.
What kind of shenanigans are these now? Prada who?
काम चलाओ.
We are in Raxol. We had to take a coolie this time क्योंकि सर जी को तो कायरोप्रैक्टर की आदत लग चुकी है ना अब. The third eye follows us everywhere, it seems. We are officially crossing the border. 1 second. Place where we had clicked the photo last time. We have come to get a SIM card, and we also need to get money exchange done.
10,000 में they will keep 200 rupees commission
Okay. For the exchanges.
for the exchange. So say suppose we want to get 50.
This is for the SIM card. Thank you भैया. कितना हुआ इसका?
सबसे बड़ा करेंसी है.
As opposed to last time, हम लोगों ने इस पॉइंट से बस लिया था, but this time we are taking a car.
That's right.
No, the bus that we take from the bus stop is
This is our car ticket.
okay.
The
Car
moment we
ride.
stepped into the Nepal borders, every person is so hospitable. हम लोग को समझ रहे हैं. They understand that cross borders कुछ हो रहा है तो people might need help. थोड़ा considerate है. Sweet. I mean अच्छा लगता है when you are a different foreign national and you go to another country और आपको ऐसे आपको पता है कि आपको प्रॉब्लम्स होने वाले, लेकिन कोई हो जो आपको थोड़ी से गाइड कर पाए. हो सकता है आपके 500 रुपया ज्यादा लगे, दैट इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लम, बट आपको कोई मिसगाइड ना करे, कोई चीटिंग ना हो, आप सेफ फील करो, कंफर्ट फील करो. इट मींस अ लॉट.
Breakfast. Just kidding. Breakfast तो नहीं था.
You can enter the national park from here.
Oh wow. ये हमने कल ट्रेन में बैठने से पहले उठाया था और अभी हम लोग जस्ट डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि वी शुड स्टॉप once and for all for like a brunch. क्योंकि अभी कितने बज रहे हैं? अभी it's 10:43 now. We haven't had anything since morning and we don't want to stop for lunch and then breakfast and then blah blah. And मैंने इस बन को पर्सनलाइज करवाया है बेबू के लिए. बेबू show your name. It's written here. Yeah, see? 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 See?
जो चीज खरीदने जाता है उनको वही चीज मिलता है जो उनके लिए बना होता है. तुम ये खरीदने गए थे, तुमको वही मिला जो तुम्हारे लिए बना है.
Shut up. I already said it first.
God is sending
Your part I'm gonna crop out. We've made a pit stop and just wanted to show. Yes, we are traveling by a EV and it's being charged. And this is our view. हम लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? वैसे रेस्टोरेंट. Oh, this. Okay. Oh, wow. ये क्या था दीदी? घी. Oh, nice.
गरम गरम एकदम.
That looks good. Apparently the temperature is 32 degrees. Lol. Where is the 32? दिखा दो मुझे थोड़ी सी भी गर्मी. Actually there's no humidity. That's the thing.
हम 26 दिखाते हैं.
सच में यार. ठीक है, लेकिन आप जो पेट्रोल पंप के बीचों बीच खड़े हो गए बियर का लुत्फ उठा रहे हैं.
कोस्ता रामरो तो भाई.
We are waiting for our guy to finish his coffee. क्या है इसका?
Behind the car.
Just realized something.
Why is it कि हम लोग जब भी पोखरा आते हैं बारिश स्टार्ट हो जाती है? This time
Just 1 kilometer away.
finally reached the hostel, guys. Just waiting to check in.
Is there hot shower
Yes, very hot.
or who?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Welcome to Pokhara. So let's head to the restaurant. Buddy.
Yeah, babe. Do you know why I'm laughing? Smiling rather.
We have the same room like last time. मतलब exact same room as last time.
No, this was the room we got.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ, यही रूम.
हाँ, यही room. मेरे को लगा तुम बोल रहे हो कि ऊपर वाला फ्लोर है नीचे वाला.
नहीं, यही वाला रूम.
Same.
Finally settled down. Took a good shower.
Hi.
I was telling them that we finally took that much needed shower. Finally unpacked all our bags.
We were welcomed with a lot of warmth because
after we mentioned that-
as soon as we came here, she was like, "This, we're coming here again."
I said it's good to be back because my Wi-Fi connected automatically.
Yeah, and they recognized that we have come here before, so they were also sweet with us. And we got our rooms, which is the exact same room that we got last time as well. And I was wishing for it, but I never spoke about it because it has a nostalgic appeal. The room has a nostalgia to it that we would love to relive, and we are reliving now. So,
Exactly.
and
We
right
just
now,
come down.
yeah, right now we've just come down. हम
Figuring
लोग
out what to do.
सोच रहे क्या करें, थोड़ी देर बैठे या बाहर होके आए, कुछ खाना
खाए।
ऑर्डर करें. If you are ever in Pokhara,
This
give
is the place to
a
be.
chance.
This is
You
literally the
guys will
place to
happy.
be.
You guys will thank us. You guys can not thank us also later, but
Yeah.
it's worth it. Give it a try. It's an attempt worth making.
Hi.
You look like a beagle, though.
Hi, baby. What a sweet little baby. What a beautiful baby.
He has such a beagle face, no?
He has a that face. The breed that I.
पोखरा है तो इतना होलसम ना, मन हो जाता है शिफ्ट हो जाए. Like quite literally. मैं तो ऑलरेडी 2 बार शार्लेट को पूछ लिया हूँ कि यहाँ पे हम लोग को शिफ्ट क्यों नहीं हो पा रहे हैं. तुम अपने बॉस को बोलो यहाँ पे एक तो स्टोर खोल देने. मैं अपने बॉस को बोलता हूँ यहाँ पे एक तो स्टोर खोल देने.
We're looking for a place to eat. But हम लोग confused हैं.
बॉस को बोलो यहाँ पे एक तो स्टोर खोल देने. मैं अपने
Yeah.
It used to remain closed if you remember. This entire
Yes,
place
yes.
was closed.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look at that house. Oh, it's not a house. It's a inn.
Happy Days Inn.
There is this crazy restaurant inside Thewa Lake also where we can go, maybe, if you remember.
Inside?
Yeah, inside Thewa Lake.
Huh.
Not in the lake. In
One
the
we had come to, no, baby? Oh, no.
No, baby.
Not this one.
Look, ये सब
This place is so beautiful.
crazy, baby. An art gallery should look like an art gallery. This is what they mean.
Oh, there's more inside also. Oh wow.
Yeah, exactly what I was trying to say.
So cool.
That is what I. देखो, there is the galleries inside also. I guess daytime they open it.
Oh,
Thewa
what is
Paradise
their
Restaurant
food?
and bar. Let's see.
I do hear the music. Yeah, some other music is
ये
cool.
देख स्पीकर पे चल रहा है. तुम एक काम करो, तुम एस्थेटिक्स चेक करो, हम एक बार मेन्यू चेक करो.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. One of the biggest leaders Ronaldo ever had was Gerard Piqué. He was the captain. Okay. Shakira's captain for Barcelona. Left Barcelona.
Guys, what's up? We are done with dinner. We had momos from that place that we had gone to, and we enjoyed traditional Nepali. Bye, guys. Good night. We enjoyed our traditional Nepali dance while we were eating.
After that, it started raining very heavily, so we were stuck for quite a bit.
Cheers, guys.
After that, we went to this other place to have cold coffee on our way back. And right now, we are at
For
the
coffee पीने के बाद मेरे को ठंड लग गई, so this is दवाई पानी. Papa, cheers.
Papa.
Oh my God. Wapa, cheers.
Japa.
Cheers.
Mummy लोग को भी cheers.
Mommy and
Why
Romy.
to be left out?
My mommy and my Romy.
Yeah, after that, we came back,
Got our laptop. We've come back down to the lobby area. To what is this area called?
Resto, the cafe area,
Yeah, the cafe, the chill area.
the chill zone.
Yeah, and I am just finishing the upload which I had missed yesterday. उसके बाद मुझे सारे files transfer करने हैं and let's see कितना editing हो पाता है उसके बाद. But yeah, it's only 9:26, not even 9:30.
so let's see. I'll try to make the most of the time that I have.
Changed our spot. Lol.
Here there's Ronaldo.
Another spectator for the match.